guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. I hope you guys are good and you guys are safe at your homes. So today I'm here and I'm going to show you what all I bought from Myntra. So yeah, this month I had my cousin's wedding in Odisha. She's my first cousin, so I had planned a lot of things for her wedding. I was super excited, but I couldn't go to the wedding. The wedding eventually happened, but due to pandemic situation I couldn't travel to Odisha, and I'm feeling so bad because I was super excited for her wedding, but unfortunately I couldn't go. So I actually shopped a few of pieces from Myntra so that I could wear on her wedding. So people in India might already know we have a lot of pre-rituals that happens before the wedding, like the haldi, mehndi, sangeet and all that stuff. So I had got beautiful pieces from Myntra, and I'm going to share all of that with you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is going to be a try on haul, guys, so please stay tuned till the very end. So let's first start with the kurta set. Okay, the first kurta set is a kurta from the brand Ishin. Now this is basically a kurta set, and if you can see the kurta, it's a gorgeous orchid purple color. I love the color of the kurta. It's so good. It has a complete golden print all over the kurta. I absolutely love the sleeves also. It is basically a high neck kurta and with 3/4 sleeves. So they have given a bit of zari work on the sleeves, which I really like. And overall I love the kurta. I really like the small detailing which they have given on the front side of the kurta. So there is a bit of sequence work going on here. There's a little bit of zari work going on here. So overall I love this kurta. This is basically a straight cut kurta, as you guys can see. So this kurta was paired with these palazzo pants, but the frill is so huge. If you guys can see, the frill is so huge. They have given a beautiful silver borderline here, which I really love. Since the top wear was completely heavy, there was a lot of work going on the top wear. The bottom wear is simple, it's plain, and it's so beautiful. When you wear these palazzo pants, it will give a look of a beautiful skirt, which I love. I loved it, guys. I loved it. So they have given an elastic waistline. Yeah, I'm going to mention the prices for which I got this kurtas as well as the size. Also, I'm going to mention the links of each and every product in the description, so do check that out also. The next kurta set is from the brand Kipek. Now this is a beautiful teal color. It's a anarkali kurta, guys. If you can see, it's such a beautiful color, guys, and again it's a very simple kurta. Now I actually went for all cotton kurtas because it's May, and in the month of May Odisha is super hot, so that is why I went for all cotton kurtas. So they are very comfortable, cotton, and they are apt for summers, so I love each of them. So this one is from the brand Kipek, and they have given 3/4 sleeves, if you can see, and a round neck. I really like the mirror detailing which they have given on the front side of the kurta, if you guys can see. And again, the frill of this kurta is also super huge. I really like the golden print overall on the kurta. It gives you such a rich feel, and I love the color. For this kurta set, they did not give any bottom wear, but they did give a dupatta matching with the kurta. I love the dupatta. It's simple, it's plain. They have given a gorgeous border over here, if you guys can see, and it's cotton, so it's very comfortable. I felt very good when I was trying the kurta, so really happy with this set as well. Next up is a kurta from Libas. So look at this kurta. It's such a gorgeous kurta, guys. I love the color combination that they have given on the kurta, and there's a little bit of golden print that is going on, that makes the kurta look so good. I love the sleeves. The sleeves are nice and 3/4 sleeves, and they have given a little bit of a different design over here on the sleeves, as well as down here below. I really like the kurta overall. The material is fabulous, guys. It's soft, it's so comfortable. I absolutely love it. For this kurta, they have given straight cut pants, which I'm going to show it to you. So these are normal straight cut pants, or you can also say as palazzo pants. They are very beautiful with a nice elastic waistline. The design of the pant is matching with the border that they have given in the sleeves as well as down here. So this anarkali kurta, it does not have a big frill, but it looks fabulous when you wear it. So I really love this piece also. Next up is a gorgeous and a very simple kurta. It's a sleeveless kurta from the brand Anayana. I love this kurta. I mean, look at it, guys. It's such a gorgeous simple kurta, and it has a little bit of thread work going on the kurta. I love this kurta, guys. The material is super soft, it's comfortable, it's cotton, and it's so apt for summers. I already mentioned that Odisha is super crazy, it's super hot in the month of May. So I actually just bought one of these, and I thought that I would wear it on normal days, and I love this kurta, guys. I've actually worn it already, and I'm totally in love with it. And this kurta will go absolutely with anything and everything on this earth. Like, it will go very well with jeans, with leggings, with jeggings, with normal palazzo pants, with normal straight cut pants, or even skirts. I think it is such a beautiful kurta, guys. Next up is a normal straight cut pants. These are golden straight cut pants from the brand Aurelia. Now Aurelia is a very amazing brand. I've got a lot of kurtas from Aurelia, and I love them. So this is a normal golden pant, and I just bought them because I thought it might, you know, go with a lot of kurtas that have a little bit of golden work. So I have not worn them yet because I was expecting to wear them in the wedding for some or the other function, but I couldn't wear this. But I'm not at all disappointed with this purchase because I know I'm going to utilize it anyhow. So this is not cotton, it seems like some polyester material, but that's all right. And they have given a nice elastic waistline so that it fits you well. So yeah, that's the golden pants. Last but not the least is this beautiful top from the brand Harpa. Now I love this Harpa brand from Myntra. They actually have a lot of gorgeous tops and with an inexpensive range, which I really like. So this is not a cotton, this is a polyester material, and look at the color, guys. It's beautiful mustard yellow with white stripes, and I really like the puff sleeves that they have given. I love this detailing over here. So yeah, I'm so excited to wear this top. I haven't worn it yet, so I'm so excited. So yeah, that's all I've shopped from Myntra, and I can't wait to wear them, guys. I'm actually waiting for an occasion. I hope everything gets better soon and I get invited to some good occasion wherein I can wear these clothes. These clothes are literally lying on my cupboard and asking me to wear them. But yeah, I hope and pray that everything in India and in the whole world gets fine super soon. And yeah, so let's start the try on. Guys, I hope you love this video. I hope you love this haul, and if you love this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below your favorite clothing from the entire haul. I'm going to see you next Saturday same time. Till then, take care. Bye.